how to make the coolest radioactive mushroom you've ever seen. So, start out, you need to attach in these little thingy majiggers into the mushroom head. Started with super glue. I did not like that. It was going to take way too long and be way too hard, so I switched to hot glue. I thought I'd save some time here and just put a bunch of hot glue in there and then press in the parts with a screwdriver. But it kept getting on my fingers and it was really messy. As you can see, it just wasn't a good idea overall in hindsight. You can see the little mushroom, it just screws together like that. There's some little grooves in the mushroom head. On the body there's like a line thingy. So if you notice, these look a little different. One was printed on the Bamboo Labs X1 and the other was the Prusa Mark III. The Bamboo Labs is the one on the left, the one I went with. So it turns out the hot glue actually got hot enough to melt these little attachments because of how thin they are, which is weird, but cool. And so you see, I'm gonna have to clean off the hot glue from that one where I just kind of went for it. On the other parts, I did it slowly and one at a time, so it was much better. You want to be careful to not cut yourself with the X-Acto knife. Always cut away from yourself. I didn't like how they looked same color. I think the mixing the purple and the gold looks way better, so that's just what I did here. It can be a little hard to get it to screw together, but you just gotta keep trying, keep going for it, never give up, or something like that. You can see, oh, it looks so nice like that. But these are radioactive. Oh yeah. I just put a LED tea light in there, changes colors so you can get a feel for how the different colors look. Ooh, in the dark with just a little bit of UV light. So we went from there to there in the dark. It's pretty nice. Thanks for watching. See you next time.